You're listening to NOAA Weather Radio Station WNG 584, broadcasting on a frequency of 162.525 MHz. The station is operated by the National Weather Service in Oxnard, California, in partnership with the City of Avalon, and transmits from a tower on Santa Catalina Island above the City of Avalon. The National Weather Service in Los Angeles has issued a flash flood warning for Catalina Island in Los Angeles County until 7:31 p.m. At 6:58 p.m., radar and rain gauges showed that heavy rain continued over the warned area. Between 2 to 5 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 4 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is already occurring. Hazard: life-threatening flash flooding. Heavy rain producing flash flooding. Source: public reported. Impact: life-threatening flash flooding in urban areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Avalon. Turn around, don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be especially cautious at night when it is harder to recognize the dangers of flooding. Be aware of your surroundings and do not drive on flooded roads. Residents around the coastal area should take immediate precautions to protect life and property. Quickly move away from the coastal areas only if it's safe to do so. Otherwise, shelter in place and move to a second story or the highest location on your home to stay out of the path of moving water and debris flows. The National Weather Service in Los Angeles has issued a flash flood warning for Catalina Island in Los Angeles County until 7:31 p.m. At 6:50.